Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some colorful unicorn spit tassel hearts to hang all over your home. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's play with unicorn spit. Unicorn spit comes in a ton of different colors, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get yours. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.